We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
Throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
Trap in a code, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pin a fold, never tell me killer fold. Everybody coming from the who's on a kidnapper. Everybody stacking by the same cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same blood, living in a pinnacle.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
Coming with a ski max, bitch with a B-bag. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some mojo with a Gucci bag.
We in here, one don't get and we ain't fit, I can't get in here. We getting lit in here. I don't care, and the girls dancing everywhere. The bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing everywhere, the swags everywhere, designers everywhere.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
This Young T, Young David, Young Emma, Young Thug, Young Boy, Young Bear, Young Doll, Young Nick, Young Years, Young Hills. Pull up at your hall, Young Mill, Young Chill. I say catch him with your pitching, learn from repetition. I got no ambitions, this is so I question my intention.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
MK with a Gucci bag.
This Young T with a Gucci belt.
KD with a Gucci socks.
Young Emma, Gucci man.
Young Emma, Gucci man.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
Throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
Trap in a code, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pin a fold, never tell me killer fold. Everybody coming from the who's on a kidnapper. Everybody stacking by the same cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same blood, living in a pinnacle.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
Coming with a ski max, bitch with a B-bag. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some mojo with a Gucci bag.
We in here, one don't get and we ain't fit, I can't get in here. We getting lit in here. I don't care, and the girls dancing everywhere. The bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing everywhere, the swags everywhere, designers everywhere.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline. We jig it with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
This Young T, Young Davy, Young Emma, Young Thug, Young Boy, Young Bear, Young Doll, Young Nick, Young Years, Young Hills. Pull up at your hall, Young Mill, Young Chill. I say catch him with a pitch him. Learn from repetition. I got no ambitions, this is so I question my intention.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
We throwing money in the airline.
We in there.
We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
We in there.
MK with a Gucci bag.
This Young T with a Gucci belt.
KD with a Gucci socks.
Young Emma, Gucci man.
Young Emma, Gucci man.
Live. Uganda Force is alive. Back in this bit. You know what time it is. You know what time it is, Uganda. Damn, I ain't got my lights on, bro. Struggle streaming, bro. God damn. Lost all my audience by now. I don't know how do I keep on struggle streaming. Struggle streaming. There we go. Ooh, boy's cut. A boy fresh than a motherfucker. Ooh, you got no fresh. You got no fresh. 19 straight weeks of this shit. Who you fucking with? Nobody, cause he know that's what I do. Got the trades in his beach. Anyways. I know what time it is. Another week, not a dollar. Not a week, another trade. Another week, another opportunity to become better than you were. Welcome to another Money Monday. Money Monday, Money Monday, Money Monday. Oh man, I'm getting sick. Or this bullshit y'all niggas on. This food busting. This food busting right quick. You know I gotta eat this food up. Got this food busting.
Oh my God.
This about to be a quick, lively stream, cause really late. Barely made it on Monday. Barely made it to Monday. Ain't that crazy? Barely made it to Monday. Oh look, y'all. Maxie, and I know it. Anyways, let's get back to this shit for real. It'll be a quick stream, but look at this. We have a lot of earnings. We have Palantir dropping their earnings, and they came back positive. Last 6 months. Last week. Man. It is. Tierski. Oh. I'm starving. Anyways, this is the weekly earnings. This is the weekly earnings for the week of May 4th. May the 4th be with you if y'all Star Wars fans. Shout out to y'all. But look at Monday. Palantir popped out. Duolingo also pops out. We got PayPal, Shopify. Let's see if Shopify is on my red list. Up. Now it is. That's Shopify. Drop these right here. Right here. These also right here. You know what I'm saying? These around my neck. Second. I hear that. I can't hear I can't hear this shit. My goodness.
Oh my God.
There we go. God damn. Couldn't hear my sound effects. Just struggle streaming. Struggle streaming, baby. Bye. Uh-oh. Shopify. Let's go to, let's go to PayPal. How PayPal doing? PayPal. PYP. Wow. Not doing. Candles above the resistance. Pfizer dropping earnings. Pfizerski dropping earnings. AMD dropping earnings tomorrow. AMD. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. AMD dropping earnings. Got Uber, Disney. We have Cart. You have Coke dropping earnings Wednesday. You got Snapchat dropping earnings. McDonald's. Oh, McDonald's? UD. Don't have McDonald's. McDonald's that. Uh-oh.
Oh my God.
McDonald's getting cooked. McDonald's getting cooked. Price below the support and resistance. Price below the support. SMA and VMA. Mr. Pride. Coinbase. Coinbase is dropping earnings. Coinbase. Coin is doing. easier for y'all. See what's going on. Damn, it's gonna be a terrible stream. I'm sorry, y'all. This is what, there's a lot of plays coming up. This, a lot of opportunities this week. We also got dividend dropping for Divide, Coke, MasterCard is dropping dividends. All these people dropping dividends. I can feel it. Opportunity. That's Amex. Yep, Amex is dropping dividends. Go to the Forex Factory. Oh. That's what I see for the market. Friday unemployment rate, non-farm change, unemployment claims are dropping Thursday. Tomorrow's gonna be gonna see some volatility. Good. Let's ask chat. What is going on in the stock this week? Right. So markets are near all-time highs. Last month was a 10 plus month, 10% plus month. But this week start with a small pullback. Overall trend still bullish, getting shaky short term. Overall, the bottom line is we're overall the trend is bullish overall, short-term choppy pullbacks likely. Rivals AI and earnings, risk oil rates, and overvaluations. Thank you. Don't come again. Favorite part. Oh, we saw some earnings drop last week. Meta failed to break this resistance and continue upwards. Meta. Microsoft. Also Microsoft. Top earnings last week. Nothing crazy. Got down a little bit back to looking. Microsoft was a good entry point. Microsoft was a perfect entry point. Then they have Kezlowski. Tesla. Also dropped earnings, gap down, but it's also pulled above this resistance. I call it resistance. The price here failed, came back. Targeted 440.
Oh my God!
Rich!
Man, got into some Google plays, Google contracts. Could have gotten paid really good too. Price gapped up after earnings. Boom, 33 points. Apple initially gapped up. Market closed here, gapped up. Market opened 15%, 5% high. Came down overall. Now prices retesting the resistance. Amazon, with Amazon also broke it back, retest and continuing push above. Maybe Amazon's gonna be pushing it $100 level. We'll see with Amazon. Now we have NVIDIA failed break that resistance, but we finally came back out of this slump. Like NVIDIA's gonna rebound. Just retesting this resistance. So NVIDIA also might be a re-entry zone. Why? On bearish signals. Was the end of the week last week. Good too. Dow Jones is doing what Dow Jones is doing. Anyways, let me clear this chart up. Reason why I clear my charts is to kind of get a better, look. Better, cleaner look. Meta still believe Meta still has a bullish. So this is the pregnancy candlestick. But look at the amount of sales that pushed down towards the end of the week. End of last week. But Tesla is back. I mean, Meta at its resistance. I mean, support level. Bro, I'm struggle streaming, bro. Like, low-key, I feel like ending it and just doing it better. Man, this is pretty bad. Weekly chart, daily chart. Tesla's at, I mean, Meta is at this resistance rate, support level. Damn, bro, I might call it. I can get it right. But fuck it. I don't quit. Gotta get up. Meta is at support level. Long-term support. Last time Meta was here, broke through. But we have these gaps. We have this gap, earnings gap. Meta might push short-term play up. New downward. All I gotta tell you is just watch out. Go to Microsoft. As you can see, Microsoft. Bearish, bull signal, bull signal. What's that bearish signal? Look at this long-term weekly distance right here. I mean, support level, long-term support level. Then one thing I like is that Microsoft not make a lower low. So I see on a smaller time frame, What I see, gang. This is what I see. This distance right here. We might be going to the moon. Tesla is this reversal signal on the monthly. Seeing pushes up. Seeing the push up last week. Kind of a bearish, kind of indecisive moment, but not gonna lie, if my price crosses this level, I know I'm good. I know I'm good. Know that I'm good. But we got in this level right here. What level? Right. Distance. Price. Either. Good man. My entry. Google on the monthly.
Oh my God. What the hell? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Google, man. Google just. Google just.
Oh my God.
Google's gone, bro. To the freaking moon. Moon ball. Gone. Not even mark this up. Let's see resistances. Our resistance. Right here. Indication. Opportunities in Google. Cause that shit is gone. Hiked up. Look on the monthly. Signs of weakness. Let's see Apple. It's long-term resistance. Boom. Bam. Boom. Bam. Bam.
Oh my God.
Amazon. Crazy. Monthly. On weekly. In the video. Video. Straight up consolidation. Past several months. Seen the video break this resistance level. Retesting it weekly. So this might be a retest week, y'all. Must be a re-entry. I'm saying the video is at a perfect re-entry. For indication. Fine. Continue to break all-time highs. It's new. It's not new.
Brother,
Yeah.
what the hell? Oh my God, no way. Rich, millionaire, millionaire. Oh my God.
A resistance. Since this is Jones. Pull back. Quickly. Yeah, about a week. That's it. I would fail to push forward in 480. When I was overrated, bro. Knew this shit gonna happen. Love the result. Old.
Brother,
The trades is out of here, man. Keep on grinding. Get better. It's not my best day. I might come back and just feeling busy all day. But with that though, I appreciate you even watched. Drop a like. Don't drop a like. Fuck your like. Because I did not give you like-worthy material. Guess what? You know, this is what comes with it. Gotta push yourself through. Might not be 100%, but guess what? Keep on doing and push yourself through. You got the trades. Love y'all. Remember to pray every day. Do a little workout. Hit up your mama. Call her. Tell her you're gonna be the most powerful trader. Where you from? There's no profits. You gonna trade is out of here. Yeah.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. Throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
It's a pinnacle code, living on a killer code. Never tell me different stories when it comes to killer code. Everybody pinnacle, never tell me killer code. Everybody coming from the hood, so not kidnapped. Everybody stacking by the same cause you never know the stories that are coming from the same blood, living in a pinnacle.
We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like. We throwing money in the airline. We jigging with a hammer, now we like.
I come in with a ski mask, bitch with a B-bag. I got a 4-4 with a 4-0. Coming in with some mojo with a Gucci bag.
We in here, one don't get, and we ain't fit, can't get in here. We getting lit in here. I don't care, and the girls dancing everywhere. The bottle popping everywhere, the money overflowing everywhere, the swags everywhere, designers everywhere.
We